How much apple can you eat? My people, I'm in the middle of the field, surrounded by apple. How much can you eat, guys? Can pick and choose. People always ask if I am allowed to eat apples. Of course, we can just pick an apple from the tree and just eat. Just like that, my people. The thing is, guys, I'm so much used to apples and cherries. You know? That's why we don't really fussy about eating. You know? During our work time, maybe we just feel thirsty and we just can pick apple from the tree. Just as me just pick this and just eat. Maybe for the day, guys, maybe we just eat 2-3 apples for the day and that's it. Sometimes we bring home, pick them, put them down, make them drain, make them get stale. That's the time them nicer. You're there at home, you feel for something to eat, you just wash one, peel it and eat it and that's it. The thing is, my people, I'm just sorry I couldn't bring a backside to Jamaica so my kids them could have just sit and eat, my people, you know? Yeah, man. And my people, we are like 3 days away from reaping. So you know, in 3 days time, we're going to start reap apple, my people. As you see, them have some lovely color, guys. We just wait for them to get, I think them need sugar. The sugar not really come up as yet. Just wait for some more sun so them can get a little more sweeter and eatable, my people. You know? So yes, guys, if you got the chance to spend the day inside an apple orchard, how many can you eat? Look, my people, I want to take a good look. Look, and pick out the riper one. Pick out the riper one them. How many could you eat? Like all these now, my people, them get damaged by the sun. When the sun get too hot on them, the sun is what caused these. Yeah, man. The sun burn them. When the sun get too hot. So these little thing right here farm, as I see, sunburn. Another sunburn, my people. Another sunburn. You know, so these, even if you pick this one, my people, the machine are gonna reject it, you know. So you can just pick it from the tree from now. So my people, I just go and eat my share of apple, you know. I mean, I eat the biggest one them. The biggest one them me I eat, you know. Nice, beautiful. We just chew it up, get the juice. That's all I need, my people. Yeah, man. Use the juice and quench my thirst, guys, you know.